Hey guys, Dennis at Dave Brothers RVs. How y'all doing today? I want to introduce you to our Heartland toy. This here is a toy hauler that we sell plenty of out here. They're coming standard with 13-foot garages on them now. They've got outside kitchens, outside speakers. They're all coming with a nice 4-step, solid step surfaces, a lot better than the others. They don't put that in the rear of them because it takes up too much room in your toy hauler part, so that's why they don't come like that. Fiberglass body, electric jack, hydraulic jack, as I said, TV and kitchen. Let's take a look at the inside of this new toy that just landed here today, brothers. Come on here and let's look at this. It's got the party couch sofa over here that lets out. It's got the nice table and little bench here for you to eat breakfast on. Woodworking here is just phenomenal how good they're getting at this. This also comes with a Dometic. This is not a residential refrigerator. It's the size of one. It is electric or propane. You don't see that a lot in the bigger coaches as you do in the Heartland product. Just super roomy in this 371. One of the best things about this, they went exclusive to the 13-foot garages in this product so it can hold the bigger toy haulers. All hardwood cabinets. Again, LED with a lot of lighting in the back, fantastic fans. We're back here now. I'm going to show you the bedroom of this Heartland 371 toy hauler. Comes standard with a king-size bed. It's also got a slide for your wardrobe. It's got real deep closets to put your stuff away. It's also ducted, air conditioned. There's 2 air conditioners in this unit. Right in front of the bed, you can walk right inside to the bathroom. It's got the tub shower in here. This is a 371. One of the number 1 selling ones that came out this year. Come down and see us here at Dave Brothers. We look forward to talking to you. Give us a call, 606-877-1530. Again, 606-877-1530.